traffic areas in the kitchen destroying your life? You're not the only one. A lot of people go through this. This is one of the most walked through areas. But it can be fixed. And just know there is a way. A better way. A cleaner way. A slower way than standard. You see Malcolm's knocking it all down. Yep. Some of it's so thick, you gotta use your scraper. It's crazy. That's how you really see what it looks like. Ta-da! Magic. Then we're gonna come back and clean them once we remove all the sealer. Like, share, subscribe. And if you're looking to get this type of work done, click the link in the description below to go to our website, find all of our contact information. Always video thing. Sealed kitchen. That's after. That's what you call magic, folks. Magic.